Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick, where today we're building part 2 of the LEGO Friends Grand Hotel, the Heartlake Grand Hotel. So part 1 is done, we built just all the accessories, so now we're breaking into this giant instruction book that is just going to be used for building the hotel, so can't wait for that. Why wait? Let's go ahead and get right into it. So bag 3 is where we left off from part 1. Not too many parts in bag number 3. There's a small bag of parts in there. Go ahead and open that up. Dump it over there. Alright, so we've already put together Andrea and Stephanie. So now we have the next minifigures, which is, I'm sorry, we already put together Olivia and Andrea. So this is Stephanie. And Stephanie's torso is in an individual bag by itself. So in part 1, I asked everyone who their favorite mini doll was. Since we have Andrea, Stephanie, and Olivia in this set, those are 3 of the main characters in Heartlake. So, whoa, that is not Stephanie's face. That looked funny. So, you tell me, put a comment down below. Who is your favorite Friends doll? Is it Stephanie? Is it Andrea? Is it Olivia? Who knows, maybe it's Nate. Who's Nate, you say? Nate is one of the hotel employees. There's Nate. Is that your favorite mini doll? Put a comment down below. So we have Nate and Stephanie, and we have a poodle. I'm guessing that's probably Stephanie's. Alright, next, oh, and Nate does come with some hair. So here's his hair piece in case he wants to take off his hat and relax. That's what he looks like without the hat. I like the hat. Keep it on him. But we'll put his hair piece off to the side. Alright, so we have this big bag of just plates that came unnumbered in the box. So we need to retrieve one of those out. That's it right there. Let me position this to where we could see it a little bit better. There we go. Now, let's get the build on. So, of course, we start with the smallest parts ever. A stud and a round tile. Gotta start somewhere, I guess. Move that out of the way. Got stuff in the way here. Alright, we've got a little sub build. Do the little light element again. This whole piece goes right there. have some red and gold tiles. Piece at. It is a 3 tall 1x1. Oh, there it is, way over there. So this is an interesting little technique. We've got these cone shapes topped off in the bottom, kind of sandwiched in between these 1x2 bricks. Goes right there on the end, so it creates a nice little detail element. Big window panel, this tall brick with the slot in it, and then we have another one and another one. So the slots are facing out, basically. And this one faces in, so you hide it from the inside. Brick. Another cone piece right there on the top. Brick on the top. We have 4 of these. Oops, dropped one. Slipped out of my hand. A 1x2 plate with a 1x1. Top. Make 2 of those pieces. And each one goes there. Alright, we have the door. The gold colored handle. And sticker number 7. Let's find sticker number 7. There it is. It's a little cupcake. That attaches. How does that attach? I need to start watching the instructions. I keep missing a few parts. Alright, I see. I skipped a step where I had that part on. So that goes there. Alright, pay attention. Here we go. Here's the first of the new elements that we have. It's basically an arched window element with these little divided lights in it. That's pretty cool. Little piece. It goes right there above that window. Or I mean above the door. And then we have two of these arched pieces that fit right over it. All right, now for four of these round bricks. And there's a Technic axle that goes in there. Actually 6 of them. So the Technic axle will prevent them from falling apart because it adds internal support. And we'll add the plate on top. This whole piece goes right there. So that's a cool little technique. I actually use that technique on my bank that I built for my custom Lego city. All right. Arch up there. Top this off with some plates. Plates will help hold everything together. Alright, little slope here. We have a tile which gets sticker number 8. And sticker number 8 looks like a little price sheet or a menu. Bear with me, I have to get these on straight or it drives me crazy. So it's a little price sheet for the, looks like a cookie, a coffee, and a cupcake. Goes right there on the side. And turn this around. We have 2 of these elements that we create this little detail over the door and window. So there you go. That's it for bag 3. So now we're on to bag 4. Of course we have extra pieces. Push them off to the side. One of those extras is a flower that should have gone in Stephanie's hair. I'll go ahead and put that in there. All right, bag 4. There it is. And we have another large plate. And we start off similar to the way we did with that first large element. Just a little light in the corner. piece that connects there. Some more tiles. Let's see, we need a 3 long tile. Gold and red. It's not a bad color combination. Wouldn't have been my first choice, but it works. All right. And we're going to do a similar detail to the other side, except we're building it slightly different order. Difficult part about having panels on is when you push down real hard on them, they want to come off unless you have them attached to other bricks already. In this case I didn't, and it fell off. Alright, we have a drawer. Goes there. Another tall bricks here. Just like the other side, we have this little detail of the 2 plates with the 1 stud plate, or the 1x1 plate. Another door. This one does not get a sticker. Here's the other arched window and our arched bricks. I'll pull all that together. column again. Same thing, we have this Technic axle that goes in there. Help give it some support. Goes right there. Have an arch connecting everything. This one, there are plates going. All right, we've got some room keys. They're on this little sprue. They attach to those little clips. Look there. We have a tile that gets sticker number 10, which is looks like a world clock. It tells you what time it is across the world. We've got LA, Heartlake City, and Tokyo. You can see that, but the HLC, that's Heartlake City, right in the middle there. So that goes on the wall there. And let's see, we have a little information kiosk, which gets sticker number 9. So these stickers are not in order. We did 10 and now we're doing 9. It's basically a little computer screen, which will attach here. We do have some printed pieces. We have come in focus. We have what's at heart, question mark, 8-7, it's 32 degrees. Looks like we have someone singing over there. It's the pop star. We've got a dog that won first place. And then we have this little tourist brochure. It says I Heart HLC. That is Heartlake City. And it shows a picture of the Heartlake lighthouse. So we'll turn this around. We have the same detail we saw on the other part. Right here and right here. There we go. So that completes bag number 4. So these two show connecting. Not so much connecting, but this is where they line up. Nothing is connected yet. So that's going to finish this part number 2 of the build of the Heartlake Grand Hotel. So this is where we're at. We have all the accessories built. We're just going to keep on building this. So make sure to check out parts 3 and 4. Oh, excuse me, had a hiccup there. Make sure to pick up, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Watch the rest of the videos. That's it for this one. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.